Hello again and welcome back. I want to continue talking about comparatives in this lesson because last time we talked about how we compare with adjectives with one syllable and three syllables and more. Remember, we said hotter than, but more difficult than. So what happens if we have adjectives with only two syllables? For example, like heavy or easy. Well, we say heavier and easier, but the spelling changes. And that's what I want to show you on the screen now, because the Y at the end of easy and heavy disappears. Look. Happy is an example with an adjective with two syllables ending in Y. Happy becomes happier. Take out the Y, put in I-E-R, okay? Then funny, funnier, and easy, as we said before, easier. Heavy again, another example, heavier. Okay, so be careful. Remember that the Y becomes an I. Some examples. I'm happier than you. His joke was funnier than mine. English is easier than Russian. All right? So that's important to remember. But that's not all. There are some real exceptions, as always, in the English language, also in the comparative form. And that's what I want to look at with you now. It's very important. The question is, what is the comparative of good? The comparative is completely different. It's better. So you would say, this camera is better than that camera. All right, so good becomes better. What about bad? Again, it's completely different. Bad becomes worse. Today's weather is worse than yesterday's, okay? Bad, worse. And one more example, far, which means distance, far becomes further or even farther. Both possibilities, farther written F-A-R-T-H-E-R, as you can see on the screen. All right, so those are the big exceptions. Good becomes better. Bad becomes worse. Far becomes farther or further. You choose. Examples, walking is better than running. Today, the weather is worse than yesterday. And Southampton is further than Brighton. All right? So those are all the most important things that you need to know when you're comparing things. Don't forget the exceptions. They're very, very common and easy to forget. All right? Great. So I'll see you next lesson, where no doubt you will be speaking English better. Okay? See you then. Bye.